as you can see from that video, I crashed Stewart and cracked the glass. So today I'm gonna be replacing the glass on this. I have no clue how to do this, which is ironic that I'm giving a tutorial because I've never done it before. I got a multi-tool that I think this will help me repair my DJI Mini 2. Yeah, might be a long one. So, as you can see, I cracked it all up and in here. So somehow, I need to get this glass off and replace it with my little replacement piece of glass that has 3M tape on the back. Wow, construction is going crazy outside. So I'm feeling this is going to be by far the trickiest part. Yep, I have no clue how I'm going to get this glass off. It's weird though because it doesn't actually affect the quality when I'm flying straight, but when I'm moving, it was all weird and not right. Maybe I should just... I want to just break it more, so that way I can actually get it off. Not sure. It's way more tricky. You know, other people doing this online made it look real easy. Yeah, I genuinely know how to do this. Because nobody online showed their removal process of the glass. Like, they all just showed how to put the new glass on, but nobody showed how to get this glass off. I can tell it's just gonna be an absolute shit show. This is gonna be the longest video ever. I actually got homework that I need to do, so I might not be able to finish this. I thought it would be way easier to take the glass off this bad boy. Yep, gonna have to take another approach. So I started making some headway. Let's see. This is just gonna be unbelievably messy. Wow. Yep, the glass is just shattering all over the sensor. We love that. Yeah, that's what's currently happening. We got glass everywhere. Maybe let's switch to players mode. Should have grabbed smaller players, low-key. These are a little chunky to be working on something like this sized. There you go. The glass it's now mostly off. It's right here. So I'm going to finish removing that last little bit of glass from it. So yeah, I guess for people that are in the same situation as me, where like you saw a bunch of videos of people, you know, online changing the glass, but nobody's removing it. This is how I'm doing it. Essentially, I just went in, broke it more, and once it's like really broke, then it was so much easier to remove. I would have said it would have been impossible to remove it as a whole though. And now, I think I have most of the glass out. Alrighty, I did some damage control, cleaned up the area. As you can see, glass is removed. Now let's go up here. So, there's like a tiny little micro scratch that I have. Yep, I touched it. Fuck me. Well, that's about as good as it's gonna get for that. Let's see about this. Hopefully I didn't ruin it. So, here it is. 3M tape on one side. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. Okay, what that is. So I'm not showing you guys that though. So it's like 3M tape. Let's try and get the tape off. And I did see other people doing this with... Oh, I totally touched the inside of the lens. Which you can't do. So, there we go. Let's focus camera. I got the 3M tape partly peeled off. Here she is. Now, make sure the 4K is upright. Oh, it's really sticky, by the way. So yeah, just place it in. Stamp it down. There we go. New glass. I think I did scratch that sensor though. So, there we go. Got it in. There we go. Lens replacement. Done.